Today we're looking at our 40-foot lube station. This lube station is part of Fortescue's expansion of the Western Hub pits, in particular the Flying Fish facility. This will be part of a dome refuelling facility that, while the trucks are being refueled, they'll be topped up with essential fluids such as oil and coolant. The purpose of this is to keep them in the field for longer and reduce the reliance on service trucks for top-up. We've worked with Fortescue's project management and quality assurance teams over the past several years to build up a baseline of knowledge that allows us to design, engineer and fabricate to their specific requirements. This includes all their documentation and quality control. For example, piping and instrument design drawings, electrical and welding procedures and certifications, and engineering certifications. This 40-footer houses 3 oils, a coolant and a grease tie-in. Plus it features 2 more sets of piping to allow for additional fluids in the future. The fluid will be filled through refill points with digital level gauges for easy reading. We've also reduced the manual handling safety risk through the use of air-operated hose reels. This will allow for a much more diverse workforce. As with all our lube stations, this is fully bundled and ventilated to exceed the Australian standards.